Welcome to your real estate housing market review for the Kamloops area for April of 2026. The market in April is in Kamloops is similar to the Kootenays areas. It's sort of leading the way in the interior. It's not doing fantastic or booming or anything like that, but it's a fairly strong, steady market. You could say that it's balanced, or even in the high end of the balanced range. If you look at the absorption here, in April of 2026, it was 19.1%. That means that of all the houses that were on the market on April 1st, 19.1% of them sold. It also means that it's in the high range of that balanced range. Balanced is an absorption between 12 and 20%. And so we're almost to that 20%. We're almost to that seller's market range, and we'll probably get there as we proceed through the spring and into the summer in the Kamloops area. If you look at sales, 44, 68, 97, 110. So that's from January to April. And if you look at last January to April, 60, 70, 78, 106. Very similar trajectory. So the market is slowly walking towards recovery in the Kamloops area. If we have a look at prices, though, if you click on January of 2026 and then shift click, you highlight this little stream of 4 months here. And right over here in the bottom right-hand corner is this average. So what this is the average sale price of the average sale prices for January to April. And that is $708,000. And the significant thing is, and I went back and checked because it's kind of weird that this happens, is if you look at January to April of 2025, the average is $708,000, exactly the same as it was in January to April of 2026. Even though the prices are different, they just coincidentally come out to the same figure. So what that means is prices are flat. And so there hasn't been any increased demand to start to drive down that inventory and drive up that absorption and consequently create upward pressure on prices. I don't think we're actually going to see that in 2026. I think in the Kamloops area, it will remain a fairly flat but balanced market, but that remains to be seen.